Hi guys, welcome to the world amazing channel Tech Factory. For more future updates, subscribe Tech Factory and click the bell icon. Guys, today I'm gonna show how to trace your friend location. First of all, download two applications, IP location and IP logger from the Play Store, and enter into the IP logger. Click the plus symbol and enter into the image URL. We need an URL. It may be whatever it may be. We need a URL. That's why we are taking this from the Google. We are taking an image URL. Copy the image URL. Whatever URL you need to copy. You can copy the URL. While copying, you can see the valid URL found in the clipboard. The notification is from the IP logger application. Just enter the URL in the required line and click create. Now the URL is created. Enter into the last yip.su. You are compressing the URL through the IP logger. Just you need to share the URL to your friends, like WhatsApp. You need to share your URL. I'm going to share the URL, what the compressed URL. I'm going to share it. While receiving the URL, your friends are going to click the URL and see what is this. By clicking these, the URL may activated and the app will accurately find the location using the URL. This is the simple method behind this. While your friends enter into the link, the URL link, the friend's location has been traced by the IP logger application. The IP logger application traced the IP address. Using the IP address, we need to find the location, exact location, by using another application. I'm just sended these URL to many of them. It's around 1 2 3 4 5 of them. I send this message to 5 of them. You can refresh to make who are all seen. One of the member has been seen. The IP address is located or traced by this IP logger application. I'm just refreshing whether other people might be see. So I'm refreshing the application. No, only one person has been seen. He is from Mumbai, India. The record that shows one person. The IP address has been copied and transferred to the another application. Whatever we had been downloaded at two application, IP logger and the another one IP tracer or tracker application. Then enter into the IP location. It is another application. We have downloaded a two application, IP logger and IP location. First of all, we enter into the IP logger application and we had sended and we had traced the IP address. This is the address we had traced and we are going into the IP location. The IP location shows the exact address of the IP address of the IP number. This is the IP number we had been traced and we had been entered the IP number in the IP location. The IP location has traced using the IP number. You can use a map to find the location, or you can navigate the arrow to exact location, or whatever the distance may be. And thank you for watching this video. For more future updates, subscribe Tech Factory. Thank you for watching.